Nowadays, there are numerous ways to earn money online. But what if I told you that you could make money just by reading words? In today's video, I'll show you how to make from around $200 to over $1,000 just by reading words online. Now you might be wondering why you should watch this video. Well, for starters, the method I'll be teaching you today is completely free, and it's available anywhere in the world. Second, you may begin earning money immediately after watching this video, because I will show you how to do it step by step. Finally, after you see how much money you can make and how simple it is, you will not be disappointed that you did not close this video. And continuing to the video, before I teach you the steps, I'd like you to have a look at this. This is your potential earning on this website, and I'm excited to share it with you since it'll be a lot of money just by reading. As you can see, you can make up to $300 in as little as 0 to 2 minutes of labor, and you can earn over $900 in as little as 25 to 40 minutes of work. When you divide $900 by 40 minutes, you get roughly $22 every minute, which is a lot. Stay attentive and watch until the end because I'll show you precisely how it works. Make sure you don't miss any of the important details by skipping any section of this video. Before we go any further, I'd like you to pay close attention and listen very carefully. Many people don't make money because they do things the wrong way. Therefore, I want you to pay attention and follow my methods so that you may make money and even double your earnings. First, go to voices.com. As you can see, the voices on this website are used by some of the world's most trusted brands, including Spotify, Microsoft, the History Channel, Discovery Channel, and others. So this website is legitimate. They pay out to people every single day, and you will receive all of your money via PayPal, check, or bank transfer, along with other payment methods. Basically, on this website, there will be a variety of different categories and projects available for you to choose from. I will also advise you on which category to choose to earn the most money, and you can choose from a variety of different projects. Once you choose your favorite project, they will provide you with a script or template that contains all of the words. You will read it. All you have to do is record your voice, and they will pay you according to the length of the project. You can do it in less than 2 minutes, 25 minutes, or even more than 40 minutes, depending on the project. What I like about this website is that it provides you with limitless opportunities. There are a variety of genres to choose from, and new job posts are added every day. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up if you've loved the video thus far. And if you found this video interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. It's now time to get back to work and earn some money. Now you might be wondering how I'm expected to do this if I don't have a microphone. You can use your mobile phone's microphone or your earbuds with a microphone. You can also use your iPhone or Android smartphone to record your voice. You don't have to acquire a professional condenser microphone, and you don't have to expose your face or reveal your identity. All they require is your voice for their projects. You don't even have to write anything. All you have to do is talk and read the script that they will provide. So that's all you need, and I'd like you to sign up for the first app. To sign up, hover your mouse over the upper right-hand corner of your screen and click the sign up button. After selecting that button, you'll be taken to this page, where you'll be asked what you want to do. There are two alternatives. Here, hire talents for your projects or find work as a talent. Now you must choose the obvious. I want you to choose to find work as a talent, and then we will be taken to this page, where you must register as an actor. So you must enter your full name, email address, and password, agree to the terms of service and privacy policy, and then you proceed. But if you want an easy way to sign up, you can simply continue with the Google sign-up process. After creating an account, you'll see a variety of industries on your dashboard from which to choose: advertising, animation, broadcasting, consumer brands, education, financial services, gaming, healthcare, nonprofit, publishing, technology, and video production are some of the industries included. So I'll show you which category will pay us the most money and provide us with a job that is suited for any novice and can be done in a variety of nations, including the United States, India, Philippines, Nigeria, Korea, as well as many other countries around the world. will provide you with a lot of money and opportunities, and last but not least, gaming will most likely provide you with the most money. So I recommend that you concentrate on education, advertising, and gaming, because these are the top 3 categories with the most jobs, and at the same time, will pay you the most money. For example, if you choose education, you can see that there are many different voice actors working with Voices.com, both male and female voice actors, and these artists are paid every time someone hires them to do a voiceover. So I understand that you come from all over the world and speak a variety of languages. So as you can see on the left-hand corner of the screen, there's a language option. So there's an American language, an African language, Arabic, Bulgarian, Filipino, French, and so on. So you don't have to be concerned because there are many possibilities here, and you can choose whatever you want and earn money just by reading those scripts and words, depending on the hours that you work. So if you want to make more money, choose jobs that last longer than 40 minutes so that you can earn more than $900 each time you complete a project. So once you've signed up and set up your account, you can go to your available jobs section and look for different jobs that are hiring right now. As you can see, they pay much over $200 and there are numerous work opportunities. Let me just scroll down below and show you how many opportunities are available to you. So, as I previously stated, these jobs pay well. All you have to do now is browse or do whatever you want here and then give it a try. So, let me show you a sample script for blogging, which is also one of the highest paying categories here. And they will be offering sample scripts here on this page, which you must read. So you can see the client's name, the voice age that they're looking for, the gender, and the rate for the job description here. Actually, this is simply an example because I want to show you what it looks like if you get hired. So you can find all of the information here. And then you can see what category it is, what industry it is in, what style it is, what language it is in, what accent they want, and how many words it has. So they have a 60-second podcast intro script, a 30-second podcast intro script, and a 15-second podcast intro script. This website also has an app that will be available on your mobile phone, so you can use it even if you're just laying down or doing whatever else you're doing, because it's available in your App Store or Play Store. So all you have to do is read the script or whatever script they offer, and you'll be able to earn money simply by reading words. And that's it. If you love similar content like this, take a look at my other videos, and if you like it, please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell.